The American Song Contest is an upcoming United States adaptation of the Eurovision Song Contest, which will see the US's states, 5 territories and Washington, D.C. compete for the title of Best Original Song. Christer Björkman, Anders Lenhoff, Ola Melzig and Peter Settman will serve as producers with Ben Silverman as executive producer. The contest is tentatively scheduled for a mid-season or summer premiere in 2022 on NBC. The Eurovision Song Contest is an international song competition organized annually by the European Broadcasting Union since 1956, which features participants representing primarily European countries. It ranks among the world's most watched non-sporting events every year, with hundreds of millions of viewers globally. The earliest known telecast of Eurovision in the United States was in 1971. 2 years earlier, the contest was telecast in Puerto Rico for the first time. The contest was broadcast in both countries in 2003 and 2004. American cable network Logo TV broadcast the finals from 2016 to 2018, featuring commentary from Carson Kressley and Michelle Collins, Michelle Visage and Ross Matthews and Shangela. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.